In the world of technology, one name stands above millions of devices: Samsung, the company inside your phone, your TV, your laptop, even powering the servers behind the internet. But in 2023, this giant faced its darkest moment, a shocking financial crash. Billions lost, factories slowed, investors panicked. This is the story of Samsung's biggest fall and the comeback that changed everything. From small shop to global powerhouse, Samsung was not born in a laboratory or a shiny tech office. It began in 1938 as a small trading company in Korea. Rice, noodles, groceries, that was Samsung's world. But the dream grew. By the 1970s, Samsung entered electronics. By the 2000s, it became a global tech leader. Smartphones, TVs, home appliances, Samsung became everywhere. And at the heart of its power, semiconductors, memory chips, chips that store your photos, chips that power AI and cloud computing, chips inside billions of devices. Samsung became the world's largest memory chip maker, bigger than any competitor. It was unstoppable. The miracle years. For years, the world needed more memory, more devices, more power. Companies rushed to buy chips. Factories ran day and night. COVID brought a boom. When the world locked down, technology exploded. More laptops, more phones, more data centers. Samsung profits reached massive highs. It was a golden age, but no boom lasts forever. Chapter 3. The collapse. As the world reopened, demand fell. People already bought laptops and phones. Inflation hit. Markets slowed. Tech companies cut spending. Memory chip prices crashed. Some dropped by nearly 50%. Suddenly, Samsung had billions of unsold chips sitting in warehouses. Then came the shock. In the first quarter of 2023, Samsung reported a $4.58 trillion loss, almost $3.4 billion. Its worst semiconductor loss in history. Headlines spread everywhere. Analysts called it a crisis. Some even questioned the future of Samsung's chip empire. The giant had stumbled. Chapter 4. Why it happened. This collapse wasn't one reason. It was a perfect storm. 1. Consumer demand dropped. People stopped buying gadgets. 2. Memory chip prices fell sharply. Samsung earned less for the same product. 3. Massive inventory piled up, billions of dollars stuck in warehouses. It was like building an ocean of chips, but nobody needed to swim. Chapter 5. The fight back. But Samsung did not panic, it adapted. Production was reduced, investments shifted to next-generation tech, AI memory, EV chips, advanced semiconductor manufacturing. While others cut spending, Samsung prepared for the future. Chip factories upgraded. New AI, optimized memory launched. The company doubled down on research. This loss was not the end, it was the reset. Chapter 6. The rise again. By late 2023 and into 2024, the world woke up to a new wave: artificial intelligence. AI needs memory. And who leads memory? Samsung. As AI servers, electric vehicles, and cloud systems grew, Samsung's chips returned to demand. From loss came innovation. From crisis came strength. Ending, inspiration, and message. In business, no empire rises forever. Every company faces a storm. The difference lies in survival. Samsung lost billions, but instead of falling, it evolved. This is not a story of failure. This is a story of rebirth, a reminder that sometimes the darkest year becomes the doorway to a brighter future. Samsung fell, and then it rose again, and the world watched. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe for more business documentaries. The next giant rise, fall, or comeback begins here.